My name is Kelsey Latiolais. I'm from Lafayette, Louisiana, and I attended Acadiana High School in Scott. From an early age, I guess moms can kind of tell who you're going to turn out to be. And my mom always pushed me to be the best I could be because she saw my potential. I always wanted to play football growing up. So my junior year, I decided to pursue it. I worked at it every single day. And so I had to go through workouts with pushing, pulling sleds, everything, the weight room, everything the boys did, and earned my spot on the team my junior year, which ended up being a state championship team 2 times in a row because we won my senior year too. I was born with a kidney disorder called bilateral hydronephrosis, and at 6 months I had surgery on 1 kidney. It's harder for me to hydrate like a regular person, so I have to drink probably like 3 to 5 times the amount of water with electrolytes in it. And it's harder for me to play contact sports. I grew up with my dad being an alcoholic, and when I was in 8th grade, my parents divorced. It brings a lot of feelings that sometimes you wish you never felt. It caused me a lot of anxiety that I still have to deal with to this day. And the best way to describe it is walking around eggshells or walking around bear traps when you don't want to set it off. Ever since he has been sober in 2016, we have been able to form a better bond, and we have been able to create new memories. And I have 3 younger siblings. I'm the typical older sister. I like to pick on them and aggravate them. And as far as my relationship with my mom, she's honestly my best friend and has been my best friend. That's a relationship you can't ever beat, and I wouldn't want it any other way. I want to be a family lawyer because I want to be able to help other families in situations like I was in when I was younger and help them achieve what they want to be able to achieve in living the rest of their life without fear of change or without fear of being able to make it. I found out about the Glenn Armentor Scholarship the day before that it was due, so I did everything I could, wrote the essay, filled out the application. Walking into the actual building, when I was going into the interview, they had us sit on a couch and wait, and right there I was like, oh my goodness, this is real, and remind myself what this scholarship could do for me. When I got the call, it was less than 30 minutes from when I had left the interview, and they were like, you're the first one we've called, and I freaked out. So I was like, oh my goodness, are you serious? And me and my mom, she was in the room with me, and we both started crying. It was the best thing ever. Because of the assist I've received from Glenn Armentor and his committee, I'll be able to complete college with no worries, and then I'll also be able to attend law school, which I was afraid at one point I wouldn't if I didn't have enough money to pay for the 4 years of college before it. My goal is always to help others, and one day I hope to be able to give like him and pay it forward. When I realized that Glenn Armentor gives scholarship money to help others, and then not only that, but he helps all kind of other organizations or people in need, it made me realize that looking back at his story, he came from broken pieces, he had a broken foundation, and he used that foundation that he took with him to build his road. It's not about where you come from or what you have, but it's about what you make of it. To Glenn Armentor and his scholarship committee, I would like to thank them for this opportunity to help get children, including myself, into college without worrying about how they're going to pay for it, and to help us get on a path to start our life and be successful. My name is Kelsey Latiolais, and I'm the winner of the Glenn Armentor Pay It Forward Scholarship.